Hey, thank you for. Where'd she go? She left. Anyways, thank you for clicking on this video. It means a bunch to me, and I only got 9 minutes to do this. Where'd she go? Recording. Whose place is this? Oh, this is my friend's den. Oh, lol. This is my friend's den. Friend's den. Oh, that's so funny. Friend's den. When you say friend, you say end and then a den. Do you want? Okay. Okay. Search too much I do. Wait, that sounded better in my head, I'm sorry. Hey guys, so you know that red wrist I had? I traded it for this scarecrow and a blue mat and silver taped nerd glasses. Yep. Where is she? Den is locked. Yeah, I just wanted to keep you guys updated on what's going on. Because what's not to like about what's going on? Am I right? No, I'm not right. I'm never right. Yeah. Okay, well, she's working on that. I'm gonna do some trading because I set up my trade earlier. My micro spider, my tall cactus, my rocking horse, my computer, my fox, my flower carpeting, my orange map, my designer skirt, my other designer skirt, my other designer skirt, and I have 2 more, but I don't want to trade them. And my rare spiked wristband that's a long and it's black. And I got my short rare spiked wristband, and it's yellow, obviously. Trade me pets, white me, please, 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 pretty please. Does she mean like write me like in the mail? Because that's just messed up. You look like you want some silver tape nerds. Got nothing on trade though. Ooh, I always get excited when I see those. Can someone please make a fashion show, please? Okay. Fashion show, Madden. They don't let you say oh. Oh, did she leave? Are you cold out here? Come to my den, warm up and get toasty. She missed the S. Fashion show Madden, everybody. Oh, is that my friend? Now get in. Fashion show is canceled, everybody. Fashion show is canceled. Canceled, everybody. Canceled. Never mind. It's on. It's still blocked. Yeah, this is the creepy person that's been stalking me. I think they're making fun of me. Hey, Cougar Queen, just one of your biggest fans. How can I get fans? I mean, I'm not like that kind of person that gets fans. I'm just that person who makes videos for fun. Fashion show, madam. Are you cold? Oh, yep, now she spelled it wrong. Right. It said toasty that time. Last time it said toady. 3 people is good. 11. I gotta change the den though. Oh yes, that's a good trade. Since I already have this, I don't have this. And oh my gosh, this is so freaking rare. Yeah, no. That's all. horrible trade. Everyone, come in, come in. I got my... Oh, good. Oh, there's only 2 people? Okay. Hey, bestie! It is just us 2. I'm scared of that house here. Sorry. XD. That's totally funny. I mean, I'm not gonna cry. I don't like small spaces. I'm not playing. Oh. The finals! And close. Oh, she has claustrophobia like me then. Okay. Yay. You made it to the finals, everybody. Dress most like meh. No, I'm not gonna do that. That's unfair. Like a bird. No, wait. My friend. Oh. My friend. Dress most like my friend. 12, 13, 14, 15. I only got 3 minutes left, everybody. Hurry it up. I don't know any of your friends. This one. This one. This one. The pink one. Just like the pink one. Her name is Victory. He's right here. Yay! The pink one. Victory Temple Joy. Hey, that's kind of like, I mean, Joy. What a stupid. Oh, I'm sorry. I love your name. Because it's totally not like my name or anything like that. No, my name's DJ. Okay. DJ. She had, you know what? She doesn't have that plain white. She got this color. She has this color right here. Yeah, she got it right. She got the eyes right. She got the eyes wrong. LOL, we are BFFs and we don't know our names. That's so funny. LOL. Oh my god. I don't have the fox hat. Okay. That's nice. You know what? And I don't have a long spike either. We're so alike. I feel very springy today. Oh yeah, I got this in the Forgotten Desert. I don't know what it is. It's a spider. Is that a Black Widow? Oh, that's messed up. Mine's Lily or Dare. Either one works. You guys are looking good. Yeah. Winner is... does she have the color on? Anyways, mythical, because she got a fox hat. Only color fox hat. Oh. Oh, IDK. She guessing. She guessing, I guess. Can you guys please tell me? Can you tell me next time if you're gonna announce it? Cause I don't know. Oh, I got the wrong color undercoat. That's why I be looking weird. That's better. The winner is the member. This sounds so messed up. The winner is the member. Yay and GG. Crap. Congrats. You won. By the way, I was recording. I just wanted to tell that. Should I give her a designer sticker? I'll give her a rare. I won't be so messed up. But which one is the question? I like my friendship stuff. I like my ladybug. I like everything. I'll give her that. Please check out my vids. Since you can't say channel. Oh. Please watch my vids. Please. Can I say I'm recording? My name is my user. What is by the way? What does she get? You chose the winner. By the way, I just said that. It's rare. Oh, I got this. 60. Okay. Please look at my videos. Okay, guys. Well, it's 9:17. I was supposed to go to bed at 9:15 because it's a school night, and that's what you do on school nights. You go to bed early. So see you guys later. I hope you actually in a couple of days. What? My name is user. Is the user of vids. I recorded you. XDDDDDDDD. Damn it, I was off by a D. Well, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. I hope I get to see you guys later because I really like when you watch my vids. So, bye!